really don't know. Your son has himself a new house. Contractor says he paid in cash. I wonder what the IRS would have to say about that. Now look, I know there's a lot of money to be made with the badge. I got you dead rights. But the good news is I don't want you. I want Kane. Now, how about you sit down?
It's like, oh, sir, I'm sorry. What do you need, sir? He is on some other stuff. What?
Don't let anything get between you and the hologram, or people will realize it's not really him.
Okay, I got it.
I'll turn it off for now.
Yo, he legit made a hologram?
Struggle music, struggle sounds, struggle people, struggle now. Struggle music, struggle sounds, struggle get down, get down.
He still fuck out like, oh my God.
Nice.
Margaret is so easy to hack.
There.
Dan, don't let that car get between you.
I know.
Woo! She's smooth with it. She's smooth with it.
It's crazy, man. I mean, it still bugs me when I see Black Lightning. But now he got that fine ass woman running around with him. Must be nice.
I'm happy to see them both out here trying to help.
Now what you gonna do? Put up or shut up?
Go behind closed doors and see who.
She ain't got no choice. She gotta report it. She do. Like, yeah, he was kind of outside running.
What are you doing?
Police work? You should try it sometime.
No.
You just flushed your badge on the toilet, Henderson.
Mr. Pierce, once you get dressed, you're free to go. I'm embarrassed it took me this long to do the right thing. Start leading this place ball to rock. Once Detective Bennett got going, he had an awful lot to say, mainly about you. You under arrest. The officer will read you your rights.
Ooh. Yo, they gonna come for Patterson. They gonna come for him. This is not good.
Actually, I do.
You need to tell Patterson ain't Black Lightning.
He does, because he doesn't know the danger he's in.
Show don't.
Daddy! I was so happy you're home.
Oh, me too, sweetie. Me too.
Hopefully that's Gambi. It wouldn't be anybody else. Nobody else would be
It's Uncle Gambi.
It was ready.
Thanks for coming over.
I love it.
I don't expect you to forgive me. I might not be able to. But I still can't forget what you've done for me.
Black. Man, been there for him.
For my family.
For a minute.
To the Freeland PD press conference.
This is a new day
I
at
got
Freeland.
by this one.
For years, good folk have suffered from over or under policing, from police brutality instead of public safety, from corruption rather than professionalism. I am of this community. from this community and devoted to this community.
You're the oldest. Can you lead us? We are thankful for the companionship that warms our hearts, for the food that we're about to eat that will nourish our bodies, and we are thankful for your eternal protection which maintains our souls. Amen.
Get on, Gabby.
Let's eat.
Things getting way too nice.
Hey, the cheese pizza with that.
You put some hot sauce in that goddamn pizza.
Yeah. You only eating one slice.
I need you.
We ain't fighting me like I'm here.
In the school, huh?
Oh, flip.
In the school.
Oh. I mean, but he did kill his darn sister.
Hey, this is
He killed his
Killed his
sister.
dad.
Right now.
Look, I mean, look.
And he didn't mean to kill his sister. It was actually an accident.
But it did happen. Yeah, look, it's gonna be bad. All I know is that ended on such a nice note. I don't know, man.
But now we know it's about to get even crazier because now the bad guys got to figure out a way. They got to pull out all the bad guys to now get good. So now the trollop heifer assistant, who we knew was bad news, said she sashayed her little tight-fitting dress over to that man. We knew she was trifling from there. See, that's what they do. That's what they do. They try to use this black woman to take down the black man. This right here is bigger than TV, okay? But anyway, I digress.
We're gonna do a quick review.
And now you gotta, I don't know if y'all noticed that. They try to,
We're gonna do a quick review. Hope y'all enjoyed that reaction.
Oh, so we still on camera.
That's what I'm saying.
Oh,
we'll be right back.
And
We'll be right
stuff
back.
Well, this is unfiltered. This is unfiltered.
What do you mean?
This is unfiltered.
Yes, it's unfiltered.
Okay.
It's unfiltered as like a filter fish.
is he gonna edit all that out? You are.
Not for the patrons,
I
man.
thought we stopped.
Yes, you are.
I thought we stopped.
Yes, you are. And you edit
You still
it out.
recording this? Go ahead, cut the camera, man.